Labdha sudullam amidam bahu sambhavante manussam arthadam. These people, they do not know. Because they are asuras, they do not know what to do in this human form of life and what not to do. They are killing animals without any hesitation. They do not know these rascals, and still they are spiritual leaders. How horrible condition is this in this Kali Yuga. Just imagine. Without any restriction, without any hindrance, they are committing sinful life. They do not know next life, all this boastfulness, pride will be finished. You will have to accept another body, which will be offered by the material nature. You cannot say that I will not accept this body, I want this body. No, nature is not under your dictation. You have to abide by the dictation of nature.